Picture Porter 35 from Digital Foci is the best-in-class portable digital photo manager. It's perfect for photographers and digital photo collectors alike. Picture Porter 35 is much more than a simple photo backup device. For the photographer, it's a highly versatile device for copying, storing, and managing digital photos directly from the camera memory card. For the digital photo collector, it's a convenient device to organize, maintain, and share years upon years of digital photos. The clear benefit of using Picture Porter 35 is being able to optimize your ability to capture, secure, organize, and share your valuable photos. Picture Porter 35 is a portable digital photo manager with a 3.5-inch color display, large capacity hard drive, and a host of input-output connections. Easily connect your camera memory cards, USB storage devices, or high-def digital camcorder directly to Picture Porter 35 for quick copy, viewing, and file management. About the size of a paperback novel and weighing less than a pound, Picture Porter 35 is designed for easy one-handed operation with jog dial and control buttons on one side. Together with a 3.5-inch color LCD screen, large capacity hard drive, and small form factor, Picture Porter 35 is a sensible combination of functions, size, and weight. For the critical backup and file management needs of any photographer, Picture Porter 35 is a great solution that relieves the burden of carrying a heavy and clumsy laptop computer out in the field or on vacation. Picture Porter 35 offers a wide range of functions, including convenient memory card to hard drive copy, photo viewing and selection, file management and export, connection to a variety of memory device formats, slideshow playback with playlist capabilities, and the ability to make PhotoMemo notations. To copy the photos and other files from a memory card to the Picture Porter 35 hard drive, it's as simple as inserting the card and responding to the copy options that automatically appear on the screen. Copy options include copying the card contents to a new folder or adding to an existing folder by an incremental copy. Photos stored on Picture Porter 35 can be easily viewed through a range of different viewing modes. Starting from the folder view, which works just like the folder structure navigation on a computer, different viewing modes include List View, 3x2 thumbnails with 6 thumbnails displayed per page, 5x4 thumbnails with 20 thumbnails displayed per page, and full screen view. When reviewing photos in any of these viewing modes, selections can be made for the purpose of performing file management tasks like copy, delete, and export. Selections can be exported to a dedicated export folder on Picture Porter 35 or to any external memory device, including memory cards and USB storage devices. Professional photographers and vacationers alike with priceless, irreplaceable photos will definitely appreciate the backup to external storage device capabilities that Picture Porter 35 offers. After making the first copy to Picture Porter 35, easily back up a second or even third set of the photos to low-cost USB external hard drive devices. Videographers equipped with internal flash, hard drive, or memory card-based HD camcorders can use Picture Porter 35 to copy off the data-rich HD video and free up room to shoot more footage. The slideshow function on Picture Porter 35 can be used to quickly present a selection of photos in a particular folder. More complex slideshows can be created by using the playlist function to mix a medley of photos, videos, and music from different folder locations to play in the same slideshow. Picture Porter 35 supports a unique function called PhotoMemo that allows voice memos to be recorded and paired with the photos stored on the Picture Porter 35 hard drive. PhotoMemo can be used to record notations on the spot or to record introductions and greetings that will play along with each photo in the slideshow. Picture Porter 35 is an easy-to-operate, portable digital photo manager with a wide range of features and functions to satisfy photographers and digital photo collectors of any kind. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Picture Porter 35. We hope that this introduction has been helpful and informative. To learn more about Picture Porter 35, please visit us online at www.digitalfoci.com, or for specific questions, email us at support@digitalfoci.com.